Hey peoples, it's King Chelsz. I got another cheap Amazon wig to show you guys. Make sure you tune in and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, I'ma grind forever. Green mean gold, I'ma go get it. They say forever is a long time. As long as I get it, best believe it, we gon' be fine. Now I'm on your line, demanding for attention, trying to make you mine. Girl, no waste time, saying that I'm playing, girl, I know did wine. I ain't never running out of love.
The wig that I'm showing you guys today is called Delania from Outre, and I got it in the color 613. So this wig does have two combs on the side and a comb in the back, and it also has an adjustable strap. One thing I do like is that you can wear this every day, just like the box says. It's more like a go-to work wig or a go-to errand wig where you just need to throw something on and just get out the house very quickly. So the first thing that was a little problem for me was this parting. It was just a little too close, so I did have to go in and pluck like crazy, and at the end I did put powder over the parting. This wig, it's a shedder. It sheds a lot, and this is not just for me plucking, this is just simply running my hands through it. And now I'm just trying to make the wig look cute. You know, I just put it right on. I didn't lay any baby hairs. The reason why I didn't want to manipulate this hair too much is because the box did say that it was a daily wig. And I mean, I would say, other than the plucking and the shedding, this wig is a pretty throw on and just head out type of wig. You can wear it from day to day, every day if you need to, because the tangling really is not that bad. Actually, it's okay. I think I look cute. Also, there are other colors. You do not have to go as bright and bold as I do. That's just who I am. All right, that's it for my quick little review. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I don't really want to chat today, but I got a lot of bills to pay, and these things just keep coming my way. I really wish I could find a different way, but till then I'ma keep clutching this cake.